Hey guys, in this video I show how to remove Bing search from Windows 11 and Edge. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on vital information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, if I go and open up Windows Edge, you'll see all this Bing stuff will appear and also the Bing logo on the top right hand corner. So if you want to disable all of this stuff here and completely remove it, follow along. So I'll just close out of here. Alright, so what you want to do is right click the Windows icon down here and then click into settings, and then you want to click onto privacy and security on the left hand side here, and then you want to click onto search permissions in Windows permissions, and then from here where it says cloud content search, disable Microsoft account and work or school account, so disable those two. Then once you've done that, scroll down again where it says more settings, go ahead and disable this too. Search, so show search highlights, disable that. And then under related settings, click on Windows privacy options and go ahead and disable all these options here. So it says off, and then close it. And then if I go ahead and click on the search box, Bing doesn't show up here. Alright, so now let's go and open up Microsoft Edge here. Alright, let's go and change this. So click on the three dots here on the top right hand corner, and then click onto settings, and then click onto under settings here, click on privacy, search and services, and then scroll all the way down the bottom and it will say address bar and search, so go ahead and click into that. And then from here where it says search engine used in the address bar, so at the moment it is Bing, so I want to change this to either Yahoo, Google, DuckDuckGo. I'm going to click on Google. And now if you want to go ahead and remove the Bing icon, the top right hand corner here, I've already got it removed, but I'll show you how to do it. Alright, what you need to do is head down to search here and then type in registry editor. There it is there under best match, so click into that, click on yes, and then from here, and now from here you want to click on H key local machine and then click on software. Then you have to look for policies here, which is here, double click, and then right click on Microsoft and then click onto new, and then click onto, yeah, so go to Microsoft, new key, and then call this Edge. So there it is there, Edge under Microsoft. It's got a new folder there. Alright, so if I go ahead and click onto Edge, right click in here, click new, and then click on DWord 32-bit value, and it'll be a new value number 1 here, so we want to go ahead and change that. Yep, so now we're going to rename this. So we're going to rename, and you want to call it Hubs Sidebar Enabled. And it has to be exactly like this, and click on enter. Then once this has been created, double click on it, and then make sure the value data is set to 0, and then click on OK. And then what we want to do is go back to Edge, and then make a new tab, and then type in what I'm typing in, policy, and then hit enter. Then this page will appear, and then you have to click on reload policies, and you can see hub sidebar enabled. And then once doing that, your Edge Bing icon on the top right hand corner will be disappeared or disabled. So yeah, just go ahead and reload policies, and then hub sidebar will be enabled, and yeah, the Bing thing will be gone, icon. Alright, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.